That's it.
All right, so what are we looking at here in your upper garden, Elizar? My gosh, that's a beautiful flower there.
Yeah, that's an okra.
That's
Okra flower.
okra flowers. Wow, they're high. What are they, about 6-7 foot tall, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That one is
Oh,
7 foot.
and where are some okra on there? I see some little ones right up here.
Right there.
Oh, you got one right here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, some nice little ones. Oh, here's some bigger ones up here.
And you have to harvest it almost every day, or else it will be overgrown. And it's hard to, you cannot eat it anymore.
You can't eat it. All right, let's go and see what the rest of your garden looks like. Looks like you have a gourd hanging over there. Nice flowers on the edge here. All right, so what does Lolo mean? Grandfather? Grandfather.
Yep.
So those are you guys kind of come over from the Philippines?
Made by my granddaughter.
Well, this is beautiful here.
Yep.
So what am I looking at here? All this is
sweet potato.
Sweet potatoes. Wow, you've got a lot going on. Are these the red or the yellow, or which ones are these?
Red sweet potato. We produce mainly for the potato tops.
Oh, so you harvest the leaves?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why it's a lot. But we can harvest next month. We'll be harvesting the fruit, or the what you call that, Joe?
Okay, now before we go down here further, Elizar, I'm looking here right behind you. What do you have in this little cabinet here? Down here?
That's the
It's like a water pump?
water pump for our solar power.
Your solar powered, so you got a battery there, charge controller.
Yep.
Looks like an AC inverter.
Yep.
And you must have a solar panel up here, it looks like. And what do you do with it? So you got a water pump in there. It's being fed by the water reserve in these, what, 5 drums here?
5 drums.
And how are you filling these drums? Just
rainwater.
Just rainwater off of the slide chute there, and this little roof up here.
Yep, that's it.
And that collects enough rain to store that much. So that's 250 gallons worth of water at least.
Yeah, it's all full. I don't think we can use it all day.
Yeah, and I see you got hoses running all along now. So what do you have over here on your left side? These are some type of gourds here, right?
Yeah, it's really, I think it's a summer squash.
Summer squash, okay. That's not that butternut squash, is it?
Butternut, that's it.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Butternut.
So we're getting down to the end of the season here, but oh, here we got some more okra right here.
Yep.
What do you have over here growing? Is that eggplant going on?
Eggplant.
Show me how big with your hand.
Almost ready to go.
Put your hand behind.
This is just the last, but usually before this it was
oh, you got some nice bigger ones.
Yeah.
Oh, you got some bigger ones down the row there. Yeah, that's good size here. I guess, what are you down to the end of the season now?
Yeah, that's it. The end of the season, really small. Well, here's a big one, Joe. This is a real...
Okay, let's go see what this big one's like. This is the
That's
normal, one of your larger ones.
This is the normal size of this eggplant.
Wow, okay.
But since it's the end of the season, that's it.
So I know we're neighbors, and I see you have these little solar powered mold deterrents here. They work pretty good.
Yep.
We're kind of plagued with them, so we want to keep them out of the garden. And I see right here, you're standing underneath some tomatoes here. It looks like your tomatoes are running about 7 foot high, right?
Probably more than that.
More than that. So why do you like running them up on a trellis like that?
It's easy to harvest. The tomato.
Okay. And these are the larger tomatoes here. They look like they're fairly good size.
Yeah, that's already, we already harvested them.
Yeah, so we're getting some cooler nights now. They're down to what, 55 Fahrenheit now.
Yeah. End of the season.
End of season. And then out here further, you've got some cherry tomatoes going on too.
Yep.
They're kind of at the end also. And what's been eating this here? It looks like, was this broccoli here, or what was this?
This is collard greens.
Collard greens, and
we just lit it so that the bugs will not eat the other stuff.
Oh, okay.
So
So
the bugs eat it
sacrificial plants.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
it.
Yep.
Sacrifice it here. And look at
Okay.
that, see?
And what's that
No
one?
bugs. That's the kale.
That's kale. What's
Yeah.
coming off of there like that?
That's
Are
also
they
the-
little bugs?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mhm. But that's the one, you know.
All right.
Yep.
All right. And now what do we have here? We got a couple rows here of
Now this one is called Kangkong.
Kangkong, and that's
Kangkong.
native to where?
It's really an Asian vegetables.
So how, when you say vegetable, what do you mean? What is it? The leaves, or is there a fruit?
Just the leaves.
Just the leaves. So they're very tender. Kind of remind me of like a butter lettuce or something like that.
Yeah.
So you just use them as salad, or do you use them in
not
cooking?
salad. It's for cooking.
For cooking, okay.
Cooking.
All right, and what do you have over here?
This is the banana paper.
Banana
Pepper.
peppers. They're my favorite, yeah.
Yeah. And this one is can't remember the name of this one.
Is that a hot pepper?
Yeah.
That's gonna go red then, I guess,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, and what's this monster growing all across here?
This is the oppo.
Upo, U-P-O? Is that how you spell it?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one over there.
Yeah.
Now, I remember a couple years ago you had given me some to take into work, and they were about 2 or 3 foot long.
Yeah.
And that, when they get that big, they're just not as good, I guess.
Yeah. That's what. So we harvest it now early, like this one.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's good
Ooh.
size. Uh-oh, is he growing in? Oh, yeah. So let me look at it from underneath. Oh yeah, you're a little late on him.
You didn't see this one.
Oh well. Do you want to harvest him now, or?
Yeah, probably later on.
Okay,
We'll just cut it.
we'll cut it out.
Yeah.
So is that something you cook, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. And what's
In fact,
this?
last week we cooked it.
What's this
Swiss
guy?
chard.
Swiss chard.
It's done.
Why is that one yellow and these others red?
Well, just another type.
Just another
two
variety?
varieties, yeah.
Okay. Wow, that's
And
really cool.
This is the most wanted vegetables, Asian vegetables.
So you work with a local market to supply these to them, and they're very
Yeah.
happy with it.
Yep.
All right. Well, that's really nice. Thanks so much for showing us your upper garden here, Elizar.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you, Joe.